Today we are doing something fun. We've challenged Team Black and Blue to a tug of war. So we're going to have 3 rounds, best 2 out of 3 wins, and we're taking on the BattleBot Duck. So let's get all of our ducks in a row. Haha, terrible pun. So we've brought Scorpios with us, and we're hoping to do a stress test with this tug of war. Duck has just upgraded to a new brushless system, and he hasn't gone head-to-head with another robot yet. So this will be a great chance for him to test, and a great chance for us to test our mettle. So let's go check it out. So Duck, tell me, how are you so indestructible? I would have never guessed. Go! So here in round 1, the true winner was Duck, as he was strong enough to completely rip the ratchet strap in half. I guess we're going to try 2 ratchet straps for the next round. We were very surprised Duck was able to pull us. Scorpios has a long record of pushing and shoving just about every robot. However, we do it by stealing their weight. You could technically say we...
Yarr! Scorpios be a weight pirate! Once we have our opponent on our planks, the weight transfers to our rudders! Yarr, weight be a harsh mistress!
We're going to use some physics to win this. The traction formula is really simple. Here, Diana's going to explain it.
To find our traction, we do a very simple equation. It is traction equals friction coefficient times weight. So the friction coefficient is how sticky our wheels are, and the weight is how heavy our robot is. So let's go put some more weight on the Scorpios and see if we can beat Duck in the next tug of war.
So we're going to take off our lightweight titanium armor, which is only 2 pounds, and we're replacing it with the armor we have for saw blades and all the hammer bots. This is 8 pounds of steel. This will add 16 pounds to the robot, and then we're going to throw 2 additional blades on for another 24 pounds. And hopefully, if we can crank our weight up high enough, we'll get enough traction to win this match. 3, 2, 1, go! We would like to take a minute and thank Duck's sponsor and the sponsor of Team Black and Blue, Proto Labs, which is a world-class on-demand manufacturer. Upload a CAD file and receive parts in a matter of days. Their services include, but not limited to, CNC machining, sheet metal, casting, low-quantity injection molding, 3D printing, and they work in all kinds of materials. Please check them out.
So Duck, do you ever walk into a bar and tell the bartender, just put it on my bill? Yes!
Alright, don't forget to go to Duck's YouTube channel to check out their step-by-step tutorial on how to upgrade the weapon on your very own Hexbug Duck toy.
Speaking of the Hexbug toy, we are giving away an official duck autographed by Hal and Hannah to 1 lucky subscriber. So please subscribe to the Scorpios YouTube channel and leave a comment about how you would improve the robot's traction. So Hal and Hannah are going to focus on the other variable of the traction equation, which is friction coefficient. Let's see what plan these two are hatching.
Right now I'm hitting the tires. It's a trick we're borrowing from P1. You might notice that sometimes they come out with little blankets over their tires, and they're using that to soften the rubber to increase the friction coefficient. Let's hope this helps us beat Scorpios.
3, 2, 1, go! That was
Off on. Hey, Duck. Got any grapes?
Hey Chewie, you were right. I owe you $20. Duck totally pulled us. Chewie, you did it. Oh my God.
Isn't it beautiful?
It's gorgeous.
It's not blue.